What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've been out flying again. We got a flying video for you guys, and we got some more stuff planned for the pipeline too.
Yep, we got a lot of stuff planned. Actually, a big project.
We're gonna make the Mavic, a Mavic 2 frame into an FPV drone.
It's a sleeper.
Yeah. Gotta wait until we can get some parts, and then we'll get it done. Today we was out flying this one, the iFlight Nazgul 5 4S. Done some pretty good rips, getting ourselves warmed back up, getting back in the swing of things.
I'm still nervous, kind of sweating.
Yeah.
It's hot too.
It was fun though. I had fun. I enjoyed flying. I lost my stingy, guys. My stingy's gone in the lake. I went swimming for it and everything. I was bummed out about it. He fixed it for me. I only got to fly it once. And then I took it on vacation and crashed it in the lake. It was a super big bummer, but
Rest in peace, Stingy.
we'll get another one. As soon as we can get this channel going, we'll get another one and build it.
Yeah. Do a build video.
Oh yeah, yeah. Maybe if they'll watch them.
Yep.
Anyway, guys, check it out. We went out and flew this, and we took 2 flights apiece, and I forgot to record my face on one of them, so that my face will be missing on one of the flights, but we got the rest of it. But check out this footage and let us know what you think down in the comments.
Yep.
Will you grab it for me? That battery was pretty much toast. I didn't want to run it too far low. It's right over there somewhere. Yeah. way, it said. Unplug it.
Arm it. Hang on.
Unplug it, yeah.
Motor wire.
Alright, I guess we're done.
Solder prop loose.
Yeah.
Telemetry lost.
Make 'em
Sick, bro. Hell yeah. Gotta give me a fist bump on that one. I wonder how long the camera's been pointing forward like that.
It shouldn't be very long. That landing was rough.